Seafood. The harvesting and consuming of seafood are ancient practices that may date back to at least the Upper Paleolithic period, which dates to between 50,000 and 10,000 years ago. Isotopic analysis of the skeletal remains of Tianyuan man, a 40,000 years old modern human from Eastern Asia. He shows that he regularly consumed freshwater fish. During this period, most people lived a hunter-gatherer lifestyle and were of necessarily constantly on the move. However, where there are early examples of permanently settlements, though not necessarily permanently occupied, such as those at Lepenski, where they are almost always associated with fishing as a major source of food. The ancient river Nile was full of fish, fresh and dry fish, were a staple food for much of the population. If you like it, please subscribe and like it.